Hashtag GizzyCredit. Hashtag GizzyCredit. Hashtag GizzyCredit. GizzyCredit. Anything you want, then you can get it. Don't get scammed, cause then you'll regret it. Hollywood you no longer gotta look pathetic. Gizzy.
What's good, my people? Your boy GizzyCredit here. This video is actually brought to you by our business credit building program. Whether you are a new business or existing business, you can build business credit. We guarantee that we will add at least $40,000 in business credit lines to business credit profile, so that by the end of 6 months, you could go out there and start getting a vehicle under your business name, credit cards under your business name, even lines of credit under your business name, all based on your business credit profile, not your SSN or you personally guaranteeing the loan. I know a lot of you are business people, a lot of you are truck drivers, and a lot of you are just, have entrepreneurs or are entrepreneurs that want to build business credit. Definitely, all you want to do one thing is separate your personal credit profile to your business credit profile, and we can do that for you. Now back to our existing video. Mi gente, what's good with you? Your boy GizzyCredit here, coming through for this customer who started January 3rd. Today is January 23rd, and it's only 20 days. Look at this credit scores right now as of 123. Let's look at what his previous credit scores were before. Alrighty, we go right over here and we go to January 3rd, and we're going to see 560 credit score. Now we're going to go to reports and see what his report looked like as well. Now let's look at his report from January 3rd. As we can see, customer has 10 negative accounts on each on the Equifax bureau. Let's look at what his credit scores are. January 23rd. Let's look at his whole credit report. And as you can see, all negative accounts removed in 20 days from Equifax. Shout out to this customer. Yes, sir. It can happen to you too. GizzyCredit on my hustle. Anyways, my people, shout out to this customer who started 20 days ago. Patient with the process. This customer actually reached out like a week and a half, 2 weeks after he started, and was like, yo, can you check for results? We were like, yo, chill. You started January 3rd. It hasn't even been 30 days, because by law, we're going to get results in 30 days. But since we disputed online, we got faster results. Anyways, my people, this is GizzyCredit. If you're looking to start the process or information on how you can start, you could definitely hit me up at my text message me or call me 973-440-8661. If you like the channel and you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos and education and more seminars that I will be doing as well. And also, if you like support my channel, I have a Cash App. So now my email address that I use for the Cash App is below. If you guys feel like I've ever helped you guys out in somehow, some way, if you want to donate to the channel, definitely, I would definitely appreciate it, and definitely we'll be making more videos for that as well. GizzyCredit here, my daughter calling, and I'm still giving people results. You already know. Hashtag GizzyCredit. Enjoy your day.
Don't get scammed. What you need is just a change of plans. And time is money, get that cash. Water before it comes.